Welcome back to another Tutorial Tuesday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the slice feature in Cricut Design Space to make coloring shirts. If you're not subscribed to my channel, do that now and let's get started. First thing we're going to do is head over to Cricut Design Space. For this particular shirt, I am making it for a little girl named Elise. Hi Lacey, if you're watching this, I hope you had a wonderful birthday. So we're going to hit text and I'm going to type the letter E. I'm using the font Varsity. So in order to get the E without the lines around it, like you're going to see in just a second, you want to type a lowercase e. That's going to give you the E without the lines around it. Okay, now that we've fixed our letter E, I'm just going to make this a tiny bit bigger so that I am able to work with it. So I'm just going to stretch that out a little bit. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click this top toolbar and we're going to go to Effects. When you go to Effects, you're going to click Offset, and that is going to give us like a border. Not so much a border, but it's going to give us a letter behind our letter. So here you can see that you have the option to round the offset off, or you can leave it square. I do prefer round. And here you can decide how big your offset is going to be. So just adjust that accordingly. It doesn't have to be the same size that I'm doing. Do what feels good for you and what's best for your design. Once you get it to where you want it or where you like it, you are going to click Apply. And now you have your offset. So you want to select both your offset and your letter. Then we're going to go to the bottom right hand corner and we're going to click Slice. Initially, it's not going to look like anything happened, but if you look at your right toolbar, you'll see the slice results. So what you want to do is just pull your top letter away, and then you're going to pull the middle out of your letter, and now you have your letter E that you can color. Simple, right? But let me show you how to do it with shapes and especially script font, because it's a little tricky. So now we're going to go to this left toolbar. I am selecting hearts because I think they're so cute. This particular heart is one that you have to have Cricut access for, or you'll have to pay for it. But we're going to do the same thing. Offset. Choose the size offset you want. If you notice, it'll keep it the same as what you did the first time unless you change it. But go ahead, click Apply, and select both. Slice it. And now you have your heart that is ready to color. Just pull the top heart off and pull the middle of the offset away. And there you have it. I'm just going to go ahead and make this heart a little smaller. I am going to duplicate that later. But now I am going to go to this left toolbar and I'm going to select Images because I'm going to add some butterflies. Now the cool thing about this is that when you search in Images, if you have Cricut access, it gives you so many different options. I wanted to choose a butterfly that didn't have too many thin lines. So one with thick antenna, something that's easy to work with. So I'm just going to search here until I find what I like. I ended up using a different butterfly than I actually chose, but just to give you an idea of the type of butterfly that will actually work for a coloring page, I wanted to show you what I picked the first time. Now I'm going to type her name out in a script font. For this, I am going to be using the font Sign Painter. I just think it's really pretty, and I thought it would have went perfect with this theme, with the butterflies and like the curly letters. I really love it. So we chose Sign Painter. Now with script, you have to be careful with the offset. I am going to go let's move this part out of the way. I'm going to go up to the top toolbar, select Effects, Offset. Now, as you can see, like there's little holes between the letters. These, you want to make sure that the holes are actually holes and not just lines, because it will be hard to cut and then you won't be able to see them. So I need to adjust here so that I can make sure that there is a full loop in the middle of the L and in the middle of the E and S and the bottom of the Y. So I'm going to make sure that the offset has that hole and click apply. Now you're going to do the same thing that you did with everything else. Select both the offset and the word or the name, and then click slice. Now, when you pull away the top layer and the middle, you will have that loop between your letters. I want to put the name at the bottom of the letter E. So I'm going to take this rectangle that I chose from Shapes on the left toolbar, and I'm going to place it at the bottom of the letter E. And I'm going to select both the letter and the rectangle, and then you're going to click slice. Now you can pull away the rectangle and the center of the E, and now you've knocked out a space to put the name. This is the finished result of my design. I'm going to go ahead and make it using HTV, and I'm going to press it to my shirt. This is the finished result of our coloring shirt. Now we're going to package it up with some washable markers. I appreciate you guys for joining me for another Tutorial Tuesday, and I hope this video gave you the confidence to create something amazing with your Cricut today. If you like this video, share it and comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see from me in the future. And I'll see you in the next one.